Hi together. Today I got a new gadget from Meta. It's the new Meta Quest 3. So let's unbox it. It's the smallest version with 228 GB. So let's open it up. So one seal, the next one, and Meta Shift. So the packaging is quite half the size. And there is it. You're getting the new two controllers. So there were some with a battery, non-rechargeable, already inserted, so you can start right. Then you're getting the second one. I thought there were some cameras for tracking, but okay. The headset itself. So with the new pass-through cameras, one seems like a depth camera. You're getting a docking station charging port here, and the 1-2 tracking cameras. The USB-C Type-C charging port, the headphone connector. So what else do you get? A Type-C Meta charger, 18 watts. 5 volts 3 ampere or 9 volts 2 ampere. So 15 or 18 watts. Warranty, getting started. Type-C charging cable. Seems like, yeah, it's only the charging ports are populated, so it's maybe an USB 2.0 cable, but not a USB 3. Okay. Next we're getting in here the new strap. There you can, so the lenses look more compact. The device itself is also lighter. There I think the maybe speakers. Okay, so there's your face detector sensor. Oh, cool. There you can change your eyeball distance. The IPT, I think, is the named. They're getting some switches. Power switch. So let's take it on and see. So for adjustment for the head's diameter change. You just unpull those two straps and they're getting smaller. So, wow, this is cool. So the pass-through feature is really nice. So you're getting quite warm. The fan is nearly always running. That is what I did not expect. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye.